So we're traveling on the N3, November 3 east towards Durban. We are approximately 29 kilometers from Mooi River and right across, I think it's the Minbar Dam or whatever. It's 120 kilometer per hour speed zone. And I am as much a supporter of law enforcement and more importantly of road safety as anybody else. That being said, I believe that law enforcement should be designed to reduce risk on the road, to ensure compliance, and we are actually crossing the Bushman's River now. And as far as I'm concerned, there should be some kind of logical movement towards improving road safety and general road use. Then we have a situation that is developing such as we are about to see. At or about 3 kilometers from the midway turnoff, we have a speed reduction that is temporary. The speed is being reduced from 100 kilometers per hour, seemingly temporary for roadworks, from 100 to 80 kilometers per hour. And then in this 80 kilometer per hour temporary speed zone, seemingly for some kind of roadworks, there is speed enforcement being done. And I see a lot of trucks being stopped. Now the speed enforcement's being done, as you can see, the officer, they've got 3 vehicles not wearing any reflective jackets. And interestingly enough, in the area of the signage, I see no roadworks taking place, nothing being done, and no good reason for the speed reduction. And then as we leave the area past where these officers are enforcing, we move away to the road. There's no substantial change in the road surface. There's no construction or work crew in any of the environment. We are approaching the Escort South turnoff exit 168, and alas, we have temporary speed increase signs back to 120 kilometers per hour. So I am left wondering whether those temporary speed signs were placed at all purely for the purpose of gouging ever more money from unsuspecting motorists. I can understand a speed reduction for some kind of road risk change. In this case, I could see no visible or feature change in the road that justified that reduction. But the enforcement happens to take place smack in the middle of that speed reduction. At the very least, it's suspicious. At the very best, it is some kind of, let's call it intentional practice. I consider it abnormal, I consider it strange, and I would certainly question if I were to be given any speeding ticket in that area, because it's such a short distance for no good or visible reason.